Hello, good morning, dear students. Today, from class 3, subject science, chapter number 3. Name of the chapter is plants, parts, and functions. What is said here? Topic plants, parts, and functions. So, today we are going to learn about plants' different parts. What is called inside the soil, what is called part of outside of soil, what is fruit, what is leaf, where the food is made by plants. All these things we are going to learn in this chapter. So when you are watching this video, you should take out your textbook from your bag, then start reading that book also while learning this video. So let's start the chapter. In the beginning, one picture is given by saying, let's start. Do you eat healthy food? Has your mother cooked and served you the following plant parts in some way or the other? Identify the following plant parts and write below each what part it is with the help of your teacher. So I am going to help in this case. Different fruits are given with different faces. So first one will be cabbage. Second one, carrot. Then comes cauliflower. Then comes potato. Then at the end, coconut. So all these vegetables or fruits are healthy food. So at home you usually eat most of the time healthy foods like different leaves or fruits. So you get energy to study, to play, all those things. Let's read. A plant is made up of different parts. Each part of a plant has a specific function. Look at the picture alongside the part of a plant are mentioned clearly. We will learn about them one by one. A plant can be divided into two parts, root system and shoot system. So what is said here is that one picture will be shown. After this, there will be shown that what is root and what is shoot. So one plant can be divided into two parts. These two parts are root system and shoot system. So let's move forward. The part of the plant which is under the ground is called the root system. What is said here? The part of the plant which is under the ground. This part you can see, this part is under the ground. So this is called root system. Then the part of the plant which is above the ground is called shoot system. So this part is shoot system. You can see here in the picture down under the ground is called shoot system. Then under the ground is called root system. Then above the ground is called shoot system. Let's read about root system. Roots help to fix a plant to the ground. There are two types of roots. They are tap roots and fibrous roots. What type of roots are there? Two types of roots. They are tap roots and fibrous. Then again, we have to know that all the plants fix to the ground with the help of roots. If there is no roots, no plant can stand on the ground. All plants will be falling on the ground, so they will die. So we have learned these things. Then taproots. In a taproot, one main root grows straight downwards and small roots grow from its sides. Groundnuts, beans, mustard and mango plants have taproots. So what is said here is this. This part you can see here. This is a main root. Then along with this many other what are there? Many other roots are there. So these type of roots are called taproots. Then fibrous root. You can see here fibrous root. Fibrous in some plants such as grass, maize, and onions. Many roots grow on all sides from the end of the stem. These roots are called fibrous roots. What is said here is along with other along with main root or there is no main root. Okay, there is no main root in fibrous root. There are many roots. So for example, which plant has many roots? So we can say that grass, maize and onions have many roots. Grow on the all side, not only one side, all side. So this type of roots are called fibrous roots. Then functions of roots means work of roots. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. What does it do? What is the work of root? First work is to fix the plant on the in the soil. Roots absorb water and mineral salt from the soil. So roots search water or roots absorb water from the soil. Some plants store the extra food made by them in their roots. So some plants we also eat those plants. These type of plants we eat or those food also we eat. So some plants are there. They store their food in roots. Do you know when you are eating a carrot or a radish or a turnip, you are actually eating roots. So carrot, radish or turnips are all roots. Then shoot system. The shoot system includes stem, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits and seeds. What is said here? Shoot system is together with including leaves, stem, buds and fruits also. So let's learn about stem. Stem. The stem supports the entire plant. The stem bears the branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The stems in different plants are different. Some plants have a very strong and thick stem called the trunk. What is said here? The some plants have very strong stem. These stems are called trunk. So, which is trunk? This part is called trunk. This part is called, I am showing you with yellow color, you can see in the picture. This part is called trunk. Such plants are called trees. So, those plants have very big, strong and thick stem. They are called trees. For example, mango, banyan and neem. Plants such as rose, pomegranate and hibiscus have many thick and woody stems. These plants are called shrubs. So those plants have many stems. They are called what? Shrubs. Small plants such as tomato and brinjal have weak and green stems. These plants are called herbs. Watermelon and pumpkin plants grow along the ground and are called creepers. So watermelons and pumpkins are called creepers. Pea and cucumber plants climb onto sticks and poles to grow. They are called climbers. So those plants climb on the sticks, on the uh, high places or trees. These type of plants are called climbers. Both creepers and climbers have weak stems. So in the picture you can see this is first one is a tree, mango tree. It has big stem. The next one will be shrub. It has many stem, many thick stems. Then tomato. It comes to tomato. Tomatoes are herbs. So you can see in the picture also climbers such as cucumber and creepers such as pumpkin have thick and weak stems. So they are creepers. So let's learn about work of stem. The stem supports all the other part of the body. What is it? The stem. Stem means you already know that. Stem means the big, strong, and thick woody stem is called. Otherwise, we can call it trunk also. The stem keeps the plant straight and upright. Always, the stem keeps the plant straight and upright. It moves toward the sky. The stem carries water and mineral salts absorbed by the roots to the other parts of the plant. So, third work of the stems is to carry how our blood circulates. You know that our blood circulates in our body same way. Stems also carry out all those minerals or waters, whatever roots are absorbing from soil. All those are going to different parts of the body of plant. The stem also carries the food prepared by the leaves to the other parts of the plant. So what is said here? The stem also carries food prepared by leaves to the different parts, to the leaves, again to the leaves, then again to the stems, then again to the trunk, then again to the roots. Plants such as sugarcane and potato store their extra food in their stems. So what is said here? Sugarcane and potato store their extra food in their stem, not in the roots, in the stems. A cactus plant does not have leaves. Its stem makes food for the plant. So in different way, a cactus plant is there. It makes its food on the stem. So we can see here some potato, okay, and also sugarcane. They store their food in the stems. So let's recall whatever we have learned from this part of the chapter number 3. We are going to recall. So in this chapter we are going to learn only half part of this chapter because it is a lengthy chapter, so we are not going to learn all the chapter in one day. In the next video again half of the chapter will be given. You have to learn that also. So whatever we have learned in this part of the video, we are going to recall them. A plant is made up of different parts and each part of a plant has a specific function. So we came to know that a plant has different parts. What are they? It is leaves, stems, branches, then roots. Okay? So they have different works. A stem has to carry minerals and water to different parts of the body and also food to different parts of its body. Then the roots has to absorb water from the soil. Next one. The part of the plant which is under the ground is called the root system. What is said here? The part of the plant which is under the ground means under the soil is called root system. There are two types of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. Tap roots means a main root, along with that root there are many small roots are attached. Then fibrous roots means there is no main root, there is only many other roots. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. So roots help to fix plant firmly on the soil, and they absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. Some plants store the extra food made by them in the roots, in their roots. So what is said here? Some plants, what they do is the food is extra. If we eat extra in human being, if we eat extra food, what will happen to us? We will become very fat. Same thing happens to them also. If there is extra food in them, those food are stored in roots. For example, radish, carrot, turnip, etc. The part of the plant which is above the ground is called the shoot system. So, the part of the plant which is above the ground means the trunk. Tree has trunk, then some plants have many thick stems. So different plants has different types of stems. So what is the work of stems? The work of stem is to carry all the minerals whatever absorbed by roots to the different parts of its body. The shoot system includes stem, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, and seeds. So roots or shoot system has leaves, stem means trunk, buds, then flowers, fruits, and seeds. The stem in different parts plants are different, and based on the type of stem, plants are classified as trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. So what are trees? Trees means those plants have big stems. Then shrubs. Shrubs means the plant which is very small but it has thick and many stems. Herbs. Herbs means what? Herbs are like grass. What are climbers? Climbers means those plants climb on walls or other trees. And then creepers. What are creepers? Those plants grow on the ground itself. Okay, those plants grow on the ground itself are called creepers. So these are the things we have learned in this chapter. I hope that you have understood this chapter. Then you have to read this chapter 2 or 3 times. Then definitely you are going to learn from this chapter. Thank you.